Hi, this is Tim at Tiger Astronomy, and I thought I'd just show you a project I've been working on for the last couple of days. And this is a prototype of a rain detector and cloud monitor that I'm working on for the observatory at Monkton Nature Reserve. And it's based on a Raspberry Pi, and this part here is the Raspberry Pi, which is it's a quad-core ARM-based computer with a gigabyte of memory, and it's running Windows 10 IoT Core. And this is my breadboarding area here, and the only part that's really involved is this sensor here, which is the rain detector. And currently, this little chip here is there's an oscillator which depends on how wet the sensor is. It runs at a different speed, so that drives this flashing LED here, so that just gives me a bit of a visual feedback. And then the Raspberry Pi is running a program that measures the frequency of that, and up here on the display we output the percent wetness of the sensor, and currently it's on 0.0%. And if I get my spray bottle and spray a little bit of water on the sensor. Here we go. Try not to get it all over the electronics. There we go. Then you can see that the percentage wetness is going up. It's now at 24.4%, 31%, and so on. And that will allow us to shut the observatory in the event of a shower of rain. Ultimately, this project is going to be do a number of things. There's also down here there's a little infrared temperature sensor which we can actually point at the sky and it will tell us how cloudy it is. And also tucked in there, you can't really see, it's hidden, is a light sensor, so that will tell us whether it's day or night. And then this will also interface to a larger weather station, and we'll be able to measure things like humidity and wind speed and all kinds of things. And because it's got a network port, all that data can be pulled into the computer and put into a database and sent onto websites and things like that. So it's quite an exciting project, and it's going to take a fair bit more work yet, but the guts of it are working. The fan here I've got blowing on the sensor just to dry it off, and you can see the reading's already dropped to 9.5% wetness. And in fact, if I take a piece of tissue and just mop it, then quite quickly that should drop back to 0, and it's down to 8.1, 7.8, 7.1, and falling. So there we are. That's the fun thing I'm working on this week.